Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin access and a restore point because registry edits can break things. First, try the quick fix. Settings right arrow personalization right arrow taskbar and set search to hidden. This removes the visible search box or icon in most cases. If the picture persists, export the search registry key as a backup so you can undo. Once done, you're ready to stop the search process and apply the lower level change. That's safer than guessing later. You'll now make the persistent change. Run regedit and go to the search key under HKCU. Create or set the word named search box taskbar mode to 0. That tells Windows not to render the search box or picture on the taskbar. After saving, open Task Manager, find Search UI. EXE or Cortana process, end it, and then restart Windows Explorer. This forces the shell to reread the registry. Once Explorer restarts, the search picture should be gone without affecting other settings. Finish by rebooting to ensure the change persists across sessions. A reboot clears cached UI elements. If something goes wrong, immediately restore the exported registry key or use System Restore. You can also run sfc/scano and dism commands to repair corrupt system files that block the change. If the search picture still appears, re-register the Cortana/search app via PowerShell or create a new user profile. That typically resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.